Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2026 21 SPX Sea Ray. We're going to start at the transom here. You've got a 200 Merc outboard. You have a towing port here, a large settee in the back for enjoying those water sport days. Moving forward, you've got storage here. We'll open that up for you. Little cooler area, drains. Stadium seating with a very large bimini top. You got a rotating captain's chair with a fold-up bolster, Simrad GPS depth finder. On the other side, port side, you're going to have a reverse seat, very nice for lounging. Then moving forward, you've got a lockable glove box. You have even more storage for a 21-foot boat. It's got lots of storage. You have in-floor storage in the center line also for all your water sports toys. A walk-through windshield that opens up to a very nice seating area up front with your anchor locker up front as well. That is about all there is. 21-foot Sea Ray SPX 2026. If you want to stop by and see us at MarineMax Stuart, please do.